So in this video you are going to convert BCD to binary. So first we convert BCD into base 10 and then we convert it into base 2. So for this we group this BCD into the pair of 4. So we make this pair of 4 and then this. So there we have this pair and there we have 0 1 1 0. Now we have to fill zeros as completing the 4 bits. So now we have 4 bits here. Now we are going to convert these pairs into decimal form from this table, which is 1 2 4 8. Now we write 0 1 1 0, which is 4 and 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So we write 6 here. And 0 0 1 means if we write 1, so it's 1. So now we are going to combine it. So 16 base 10, which is now 16 as a decimal. Now we are going to convert it into a binary form. So for conversion, we write it 16 here and take LCM. And always take 2 because we were converting it into a binary form. So 2 8s are 16 and remainder 0. 2 4s are 8, remainder 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder 0, and 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. So we get 1 0. Now we are going to check from left to right and bottom to up. So it's 1 0 0 0 and 0. So there we have